everybody, welcome back. Big Creek Farms. Today, starting a little fall work, you could say. We got a week of dry weather, and we're gonna use it to our advantage, blow combines off and shred a few stalks, possibly work a little bit of ground. But I got a Traco project down in the bottoms. I'm trying to get it out before it possibly rains over the weekend. And so I'm getting this set up right now though for Roger to run, and it is a I don't really know what you call it, McFarlane rolling hair or something. I don't know. We bought it with a kind of a group purchase thing and decided to try chopping stalks with it instead of using our flail shredder at home. And I don't know if you can tell, but it does a fairly decent job of busting the stalk off this ridge and chopping it up into smaller pieces, getting it laying on the ground for it to rot up over winter. And you can see with and without, but essentially it's a couple beaters in the front, just regular hair, and a rolling basket. Makes it look pretty nice. We only run it on our ridges, and the rest of the stalks I hope to hit them with the Insight either in the spring or maybe a few this week. Only time will tell on that. But I'm gonna set Jens back here, let Jens see the action, and then I'm gonna call Roger and tell him to come pick me up so he can take this over. Alright everybody, we got the tractor rolling. Roger's running it now, and we've made our way down here to the Traco, running the 240D. And what I'm doing is clearing the brush off this ditch bank. As you can see, it's brushy down that way, not down this way. Piling it all here on the end. I'll have Roger come down here someday and take the brush rake, take it that corner, and burn it up or whatever. Leave it for private pile, I don't care. As long as it's not here. It makes it real inconvenient when you're spraying. You can't swing your boom over this ditch bank because the trees are too tall. So I'm gonna finish clearing this down to the corner and then maybe head down. You can't hardly see it. There's a little ditch runs halfway down through there that's kind of brushy. Might pull some sprouts on it too on my way out, and then swab that ditch out a little bit. Main goal is to get this Traco moved back up to the shop before it rains. Like I said, it's supposed to rain a little bit, and it's already slightly mucky. Now I gotta get the low boy down in there to load this thing up, and it's kind of now or never. Because later this winter, this old girl's got 2 big drainage pipes. It's got a bury. I've got to weld them together. It's down on the other side of town. They're rotted out. We've got to be replacing them in the near future. So this thing needs a little bit of servicing. So that's why I'm finishing this up right now, trying to get it back up home. But I'm gonna keep swinging, breaking off sticks, making a mess. Well, it's about time to call it an evening. It's about 4:30. It's starting to get dark. Gotta walk up to the truck. But we made it down to the corner. Started clearing down this ditch a little ways. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that or not. It's gonna make a lot of brush. Already got a big brush pile there that I don't know if the dozer can push. But as you can see, levee bank's cleared off. Letting the traco cool down and hike up there to the truck and head to the shop this evening. Tomorrow, I'll decide whether I'm going to tackle this or not. Kind of like to swab this ditch out a little bit because there is a pipe here in the corner. Drain some water out instead of going all the way down to that corner. So, I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully, catch back up with you then.